Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Twin Cooking on Twin TV. This is our Ramadan special recipes. So today we will be learning how to make Oreo milkshake as it becomes very hot throughout the day. So it's one of the perfect recipes for that. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Okay, to start off, we will just need about 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 4 to 5 ice cubes, 1 glass of milk, 1 Oreo ice cream sandwich, and then later on, once it's done, we will put some Oreo cookies on top of it. So let's start off by adding the milk in the blender. You got your sugar, the ice cubes, and then lastly add the Oreo ice cream sandwich on top, and then just mix it well. Alright viewers, so now it's done, and now we'll pour it into the glass. And as you can see, it looks very delicious and it was very easy to make. And now to finish off, just put 1 Oreo cookie on the top. You can add more if you like. And here you go, your perfect iftari beverage. Try it out. Leave a comment below if you did and let us know how you enjoyed it. Until we see you again, please remember us in your prayers in this Ramadan. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Atif Rahman and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.